Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. Now let me ask you, how good are you at spending time alone? Do you like spending time by yourself, or do you fear being bored or lonely? I would suggest take the opportunity to say this is the time where I can give something to myself, and just endorse that for yourself. In this moment you are your first choice. In a study by the British Journal of Psychology, scientists found that highly intelligent people became less satisfied the more time they spent with friends. In other words, spending some quality time with yourself is good for your overall well being and results in greater life satisfaction. When you are doing something solo, you can go at your own pace, think and reflect, discover new things about yourself, and improve your self esteem. If you are single or don't have any close friends nearby, seeing other people in relationships can make you feel sad and alone. Going out in public or on social media and seeing other couples and friends having a good time together can make you feel like spending time with yourself is a bad thing. Fortunately, what may seem like a very difficult time can actually be one of the most rewarding. By spending time alone, you can learn more about your true self and how to work towards ultimate happiness. Being happy all by yourself is by no means anything to be ashamed of. But what exactly does it mean to be happy alone? It all boils down to coming to peace with your flaws, your circumstances, and your significance in the world. It means believing and understanding that your presence is all that matters, no matter how happy others may seem. Spending time with yourself is a huge step in the right direction when it comes to being happy alone. Spend some time considering what makes you happy. What was the last thing that made you smile? When was the last time you felt a sense of awe? Try making a list of these things. Make it a goal to come up with at least few different things that make you feel happy. They can be simple as sipping a mug of tea or planting flowers, whatever brings you a genuine sense of joy. Learn something new. Make a list of 10 things that you have always wanted to do. Having time alone allows you to focus all of your energy on what you want to focus on without having to worry about anyone else. This also opens up a new door for opportunities for creative development. Picking up new hobbies allows you to learn more about yourself, teaches you patience, and allows you to express yourself in new ways. Take time to breathe. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. If you find that you are frequently feeling stressed, anxious, or depressed, make time each day to focus on your inner thoughts and feelings. Start a journal and write down anything that comes to your mind. If you let yourself write freely for half an hour each day, you may be surprised by what you come up with. Journaling can help reach the core of emotional problems, and you may find that you learn something new about yourself each day. Writing also acts as a form of release, so emotions that you may have been holding on to for a long time can finally be expressed. Set new goals. You have been setting and achieving goals without even realizing it your entire life. Setting some positive life goals helps you give a better sense of direction and self-worth, no matter how small they may be. Switch up your routine. Being stuck in a routine for a long time can make life feel slower and repetitive. When the days start to blur into weeks, it can be difficult to remember what made you happy in the first place. Sometimes the best thing you can do for yourself is to completely change your routine. If you are not ready to make significant life changes, doing something as simple as rearranging your bedroom or painting your kitchen a new color can add some spice to your life. Changing something about your daily routine keeps life from becoming too stagnant. Practice self love. If you find yourself thinking about how low lonely you feel, it's important for you to try and conquer this before it spirals out of control. Make a list of all the aspects you love about yourself. Do something that relaxes you, such as burning incense, taking a long bubble bath, playing calming music, or drinking a cup of tea while reading a good book. These simple tasks can help you refocus and look at your situation in a new light. Embrace your alone time. One of the biggest advantages of being alone is that your daily routine, thoughts, and actions are only influenced by you. You no longer have to change your plans because your significant other person had something else in his mind. You can eat a dessert before dinner without getting criticized, and you can make decisions on a whim without notifying anyone. Keep yourself occupied. If you're bored and alone, it might be easy for your mind to wander off into dark territories. Try keeping yourself occupied by reading a book, watching a series or favorite show, or even writing a novel. Whatever you choose to do, it beats doing nothing. Escape with music. Feeling isolated from society can cause you to feel alone and depressed. Music is a very common go to solution to escape the problems of your world, and it can serve as a means to immerse yourself in a universe of emotion. Attend a concert. If an artist you love is playing in a venue near you, buy yourself a ticket. Even if no one else wants to tag along, attending a show on your own allows you the freedom to plan your night the way you want. Don't want to see the opener? Arrive late. Did you already sing all your favorite songs? Go home early. Should you sing along to the music at the top of your lungs? Absolutely, especially if you're surrounded by strangers. Gaze at the stars. An open star studded sky works well to put things into perspective. Grab a blanket and head to a spot where you will have the best visibility. Instead of running through your to do list for the next day or worrying about the fight you had with your significant other person, try to unwind by focusing on the beauty above you instead. Teach yourself a new instrument. Have you always wanted to learn to play guitar or violin or the flute? Here's your chance. Check your local thrift store to see if you can buy an instrument secondhand. Then head to YouTube for free beginner level lessons. You will be excited. Wake up early to watch the sunrise. Everyone deserves to start the day with something beautiful. Whether you hike to a local vista that gets a great view of horizon or just kick back in your backyard with a cup of freshly brewed coffee, taking some time to be alone with your thoughts can be the perfect way to prepare for a long day. Learn a new language. Exercise your brain muscles by teaching yourself to speak a language you have always been interested in learning. There are so many resources available online that vary in intensity depending on how much time you have to dedicate. Experiment in the kitchen. Some of us are born chefs while others struggle to whip up tasty meals in the kitchen. Cooking alone gives you the time to experiment with different recipes and sharpen your skills, and you won't have your significant other person complaining about your burnt bread in the background. Have a spa day. While more research is needed to confirm the benefits of getting a massage, this form of self care may be helpful for anxiety, depression, and headaches. Get organized. If your basement is practically unrecognizable beneath a mountain of toys, laundry, and cleaning supplies, it's time to get organized. Clutter can lead to stress and impact your productivity. So make sure you give yourself some alone time to clean up. Plus, it's way more meditative of a task than you realize. Meditate. Like, speaking of meditation, there's more evidence now than ever that meditation is beneficial for your mental and physical health. According to Everyday Health, meditation can improve concentration, reduce stress, prevent cognitive decline, and keep your brain healthy and alert as you age. Travel solo. Take a cue from Eat, Love, and plan a solo trip. At the end of the movie, or you find your love, and because you spend the whole day alone, the world alone, in order to find yourself. It doesn't matter how far you go or what you do while you are there, as long as you challenge yourself a bit, create some more memories, and have a blast while doing it. Take up a new hobby. Life is short, and now is the time to do that thing you have always dreamt of doing, whether it's knitting, photography, or gardening. Plus, when you have something fun to look forward to, you will be motivated to plan more alone time for yourself in the future. Take on a home improvement project. The thrill you will get when you walk past that upcycled piece of furniture, freshly painted room, or remodeled outdoor patio, knowing you did it all by yourself, will be so worth it. You will feel ready to tackle whatever is next. Figure out your mantra. Every woman needs one. It's that phrase you say over and over in your head when you need to summon some courage. Here's a powerful one to consider. Don't be scared to walk alone. Don't be scared to like it. This can be your mantra. Relax in your own house. Being alone at home is probably a pretty rare occurrence. Between kids running around, family and shopping, your husband blasting the TV, wouldn't it be nice to be alone in your house for once? Send the family off to do something fun together. Unwind yourself with a glass of wine and put your phone on silent. You will enjoy it. Act like a kid. Do something you haven't done since you were a kid. Maybe it's playing on a swing set, rollerblading, or going to a carnival. It will make you feel young and carefree again. Volunteer to do certain things. Sometimes it may feel like you're struggling in your personal life, work life, and family life, but in reality, there's someone out there that is less fortunate than you. Taking the time to give back is both humbling and eye opening. Pick up some jewelry. Treat yourself to a piece that's as unique as you are. Have fun trying things on, perusing the cases, and daydreaming about your favorite shiny objects. If you find something you love that's in your budget, give yourself permission to indulge, and every time you wear it, you will be thankful for yourself. Sometimes you just need to disconnect and enjoy your own company. Alone time is when you distance yourself from the voices of the world so that you can hear your own voice. Listen to it. You can make wise decisions in life. Spend some time alone every day to listen to your inner voice. It's so healthy to spend some time alone. I hope you like this idea. That's for today. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.